हेलो बच्चों, आज हम आपके सामने जो टॉपिक लेके आए हैं वो है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ राजस्थान फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट मॉडिफाइड बजट 2024-25 July 10th 2024 साइलेंट फीचर ऑफ द मॉडिफाइड बजट 2024-25 फिस्कल इंडिकेटर्स नंबर 1 estimated revenue receipts rupees 2,64,461 crore 29 lakh. Estimated revenue expenditure rupees 2,90,219 crore 40 lakh. Estimated revenue deficit rupees 25,758 crore 11 lakh. Estimated fiscal deficit rupees 70,009 crore 47 lakh, which is 3.93% of GSDP. 5-year action plan under Amrit कालखंड विकसित राजस्थान @2047 सर्व जनन हिताय बेस्ट इंक्लूसिव डेवलपमेंट. ड्रिंकिंग वाटर जल जीवन मिशन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फॉर 25 lakh रूरल हाउस होल्ड. एस्टिमेटेड एक्सपेंडिचर रुपीज़ 15,000 करोड़. दूसरी बात है इसमें जल जीवन मिशन वर्क ऑफ 6 मेजर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर प्रोजेक्ट. एस्टिमेटेड एक्सपेंडिचर रुपीज़ 20,370 करोड़. अमृत 2.0 स्कीम. What is Amrit 2.0 scheme? Which now see. Drinking water works in 2 years for 183 cities, towns. Estimated expenditure rupees 5,180 crore. Repairs works of 32 urban water bodies rupees 127 crore. Construction of service reservoir for meeting drinking water needs for Ajmer city. Water pipeline work from Nasirabad to Nasar Ghati, Kotda region. Various work for urban drinking water projects for Tudara Singh, Kheri, Deoli, Malpura and Aligarh Tok. Estimated expenditure more than rupees 50 crores. 2020 hand pumps and 10 tube wells in which constituency as per requirement in 2 years. Construction and operation of SIPT and STIPs in industrial and urban areas. Energy. Action plan for essential energy production for electricity demand for next 10 years. Works related to production of 20,500 megawatt capacity from conventional source of energy and 33,600 megawatt capacity from renewable energy source up to 2021-32. Works amounting rupees 2,25,000 crore for meeting energy demand up to 2031-32. Development of solar parks in Pugal, Chhattisgarh, Bikaner and Bodana, Jaisalmer. Resolution for हर घर हर खेत बिजली. आदर्श सौर ग्राम in each district under PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. Solar energy based electricity for all government offices in time-bound manner. More than 2,00,000 domestic electricity connections in 2 years. Establishment of one 400 kV GSS, 13 220 kV GSS, 36 132 kV GSS, and 27 33 by 11 kV GSS in phased manner. Smart meters for all electricity consumer in phased manner under revamped distribution sector scheme RDSS. More than 25 lakh smart meters in this year. Infrastructure. Road network of 53,000 kilometers length in 5 years. Estimated expenditure of rupees 60,000 crore. Construction upgradation, repair and maintenance works of state highway, bypass road, flyovers, elevated roads, ROBS and RUB. High level bridge, estimated expenditure of rupees 9,000 crore. 9 greenfield expressway of more than 2,750 kilometers. Repair and maintenance works of 1,343 demands roads and bridge in 2 years. Estimated expenditure of rupees 6,044 crore. Regional development and civics amenities. Regional development and civic amenities, which now see Rajasthan Regional and Urban Planning Bill 2024 Plan Development of Cities along with peri-urban areas. Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee Jila Uttan Yojana provision of rupees 500 crore. Wi-Fi enabled library and co-working stations in selected urban bodies amount of rupees 150 crore. Underground work for electricity lines expenditure of rupees 150 crore. Processing plant for solid waste management in 71 urban bodies. Construction of materials recovery facility center in 86 urban bodies. Legacy waste remediation in 131 urban bodies. Biopink toilet complex for women. Purchase of 500 buses, 800 buses on service model, 300 electric buses in 2 years. Lok Parivahan service. Bus ports stands with advanced facilities at 10 district headquarters. Requirement of 1,650 personnel in Rajasthan roadways. 3,000 GCC model based electric buses for city transport. Modern shelter cum charging stations. Brush Kshetriya Vikas Yojana. Rupees 50 crore for Dang, Magra, Mewat and Brij Regional Development Scheme. Industrial development. See this. Industrial policy 2024 based on essay easy of doing business and sustainability. Export promotion policy, garment and apparel policy, Rajasthan warehousing and logistics policy, organizing non-residents Rajasthani Conclave along with Investor Samiti. New chapters Rajasthan Foundation, Rajasthan Petrozone RPZ in Balotra, Defense Manufacturing Hub, Amrit Global Technology and Application Center in Jaipur, cost rupees 2000 crore. Data Center Policy. Tex Park in Bhilwara, Ceramic Park in Bikaner, Industrial and Logistic Hub near Bandikui, Dosa Solar Panel Manufacturing Park in Kakuni, Rohat Pali, Biomass Pellet and Chemical Manufacturing Park in Baswada, Tiles Manufacturing Park in Kishangarh, Ajmer and Handicraft Park in Jodhpur, two more waste recycling parks. Stone mines in Byawar, Kota, Jalod, Rajsamband and Sikandra, Dosa, upgradation of existing stone cluster, provision of rupees 125 crore. Rajasthan One District One Product Policy 2024 expenditure of rupees 100 crore every year. PM Unity Mall in Jaipur, estimated cost rupees 200 crore. MSME Policy 2024, Center of Excellence for Matikala. Tourism, Art and Culture. New Tourism Policy. Construction of Rajasthan Tourism Development Board. Rajasthan Tourism Infrastructure and Capacity Building Fund. Works of more than 5,000 crore rupees. Various works amounting rupees 2,200 crore at 20 major tourist places including Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Bharatpur, Savai Madhopur, Pushkar. Rajasthan Heritage Conservation and Development Authority, Jaipur World City Heritage Development Plan, works of rupees 100 crore. Fossil Park and Open Rocks Museum in Jaisalmer. Rajasthan Mandayam in Jaipur for Mike meeting, incentives, conference, exhibitions, tourism. Ecotourism cities, Sambar Lake, Kinchan Conservation Project, Shergarh Sanctuary, Masa Mata Conservation Reserve, Mansa Mata Conservation Reserve and Bassi Sanctuary. EV based transport system in Sariska and Ranthambore. Provision of rupees 100 crore for Khatu Shyamji. Special programs in 600 temples on various festivals. Renovation and development works in major temples and religious places. Monuments of tribal heroes in Dungarpur and Baswada, Kalibai Museum in Udaipur, Shilpagram in Dungarpur, digitization of 40 crore historical scripts of state archives Bikaner, enhancement of terminal capacity from 50 lakh to 70 lakh passengers per year of Jaipur International Airport. New State Terminal in Jaipur International Airport. Flying training in Kishangarh, Ajmer and Hamirgarh, Bhilwara. Bhilwara. Forest and Environment. Green Budget from next year. Target of 7 crore plantation under Vraksharopan Mahabhiyan. Mission Hariyal Rajasthan. Various works amounting rupees 4,000 crore in 5 years. Iru in every district. One district, one species program. 2001 Mitra. Works pertaining to environment conservation, pasture development and plantation under Manarega. Rupees 1,650 crores. Marketing hubs at block level for forest produce and related products rupees 25 crore. Forest and Wildlife Training Management Institute in Jharana, Jaipur, cost rupees 40 crore. Forest carbon credits certification mechanism. Works related to tiger habitat in 5 tiger project areas, rupees 20 crore. Zoological Park Zoo and Aquarium near Kevladev National Park, Ghana, Bharatpur. Walk-in aviary in Nargad Zoological Parks, 20 crore. New enclosure along with predator-proof fencing of Godawan Conservation. Biological Park in Alwar, rupees 25 crore. 50 plastic bottle flaking reserve vending machines. Promotion of clean cooking. Distribution of 10,000 solar electric cooking systems. Early warming system in Alwar and Bhiwadi. Youth development and welfare. 4 lakh requirement in 5 years, more than 1 lakh requirement in current year. Youth policy 2024. Apprenticeship, internship programs and artificial intelligence based counseling. State skill policy training for more than 1,50,000 youths in 2 years. Atal entrepreneurship program. Funding up to rupees 10 crore through start fund to the selected startup under Atal Entrepreneurship Program. Fund financial support to startup by equity funding rupees 100 crore. Agriculture Accelerator Mission. Average XR. Policy animation, visual effects, gaming, comic, extended reality policy. Learn, Earn and Progress, LEAP program. Upskilling of startup founders and youth. Business innovation program in schools and colleges, more than 1 lakh beneficiaries. Expenditure rupees 20 crore. 20 ITs and 10 polytechnics, 20 ITIs and 10 polytechnic colleges in 2 years. Rajasthan Institute of Technology RIT in Bharatpur, Bikaner, Ajmer approx cost to rupees 300 crore. 12 new colleges at girls colleges, 3 agri colleges and upgradation of 10 colleges from UG to PG, modernization of 150 ITIs, rupees 965 crore. New advanced states in ITIs. New benches in Polytechnic College. No branches in Polytechnic College. 50 primary school upgradation of 100 school new subject in 100 senior secondary schools. Construction of 138 schooling buildings. Provision of rupees 350 crore of construction of classrooms, labs, library and toilets. Reconstruction of 15 hostel building, estimated expenditure rupees 45 crore. Upgradation and maintenance of 17 Eklavya model residential school, rupees 77 crore. Residential school for migratory animal keepers in Pinwada, Sirohi. Tablets with 3 years internet connectivity for 33,000 state and district merit holders in 8th, 10th, 12th board exams. Construction of 20 Sanskrit college buildings, expenditure of rupees 50 crore. Center of Excellence for Vastu and Jyotish in Jaipur. Model Ved schools in division level in phases manner. Sports Policy 2024. Rajasthan Sports Modernization Mission. Maharana Pratap Sports University, rupees 250 crores. Sports colleges at division level, rupees 50 crores for each colleges. One district, one sports scheme and sports academy in each district. Sports life insurance scheme, accidental and life insurance coverage up to 25 lakh for international model winners. State of the art ultra fitness center in SMS Stadium Jaipur. Open gym and sports grounds in the Gram Panchayat having more than 10,000 population. State Youth Festival on Youth Day 2012 January. State Youth Festival on Youth Day 12 January. Rajasthan Youth Icon Award. Medical and Health. Medical and Health. Ma Yojana new pediatric package relaxation in empanelment norms for private medical institution. मुख्यमंत्री आयुष्मान आरोग्य MAA voucher योजना in entire state. Ayushman model in each constituency rupees 125 crore. मुख्यमंत्री आयुष्मान आरोग्य हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मिशन work amounting rupees 15,000 crore in next 3 years. Expenditure rupees 200 crore for works related to Ayushman Towers in SMS Medical College Jaipur, super specialty facilities in Rajasthan University of Health Science rupees 200 crore. Spinal injury centers in Bikaner, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Bharatpur and Kota Medical College. Center of Excellence of Medical Genetics in JK Lone Hospital, Jaipur, rupees 22 crore. Lactation management units in 29 medical college, hospitals, district hospital, Ayurveda Yoga and Naturopathy Medical University in Ajmer, Ayurveda Yoga and Naturopathy Medical College in Mahavadosa, Rajasthan Digital Health Mission. New post 1,500 doctors and 4,000 nursing staff. Road safety. 6 new trauma centers. 25 advanced life support ambulance. Road safety task force at each divisional headquarters. Social security. 1,500 crore for SCSP and TSP funds. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Adarsh Gram Vikas Yojana rupees 200 crores. Govind Guru Janjati Kshetriya Vikas Yojana integrated development of families of scheduled tribes of TSP area rupees 75 crore. Mukhyamantri Swanidhi Yojana for street vendors and other needy families in urban areas. Financial assistance to SC, ST, OBC minority development corporations. Loan on concessional interested rate EWS rupees 25 crore. 3-day milk in a week for children at Anganwadi centers. 36 lakh beneficiaries of rupees 200 crore annual expenditure. 5 Anganwadi centers in each constituency. Upgradation of 2,000 Anganwadi centers in model Anganwadi rupees 40 crores. 250 new Ma Badi centers. 40,000 new SHGS expenditure of rupees 300 crore. Hostel and paying guest facility at district level for working women rupees 35 crore. Sainik school for girls at division level. Artificial limbs equipments of specially able persons. Scoop T for 2,000 specially abled person. Rare disease fund 50 crores. Sam Siddha at Jamdoli, Jaipur, rupees 2,000 crore. Swayam Siddha Ashram at division level. Good governance, which you see, good governance. 250 vehicles for various departments. Karmashila Integrated Officer Complex cum Service Center in Bharatpur. 13 new offices in Energy Department. 6 officers in PHED and 3 in Mines Department. SDO office at Rehuas, Dosa and Vivek Vihar, Jodhpur. 7 new tehsils, 2 new Nagarpalikas, new Nagar Parishad, Pushkar, Ajmer, Lalsor, Dosa and Shahpura, Jaipur. New Nagar Nigam Pali, Bhilwada. Single window same day service delivery 25 services of various departments within 24 hours. Raj DX first data exchange of country. Upgradation of disaster recovery data center Jodhpur. New 5,500 posts in police department. Padmini, Kheli and Amrita Devi Women Police Battalions. 500 Kalika patrolling units. 750 motorcycles and 500 lights vehicles for police mobility. Various new courts women police station in each district. 10 new police station. Increase in outdoor medical expenditure facility up to 50,000 for pensioners. Maximum limit of gratuity rupees 25 lakhs, expenditure rupees 120 crore. Relaxation in accreditation provision for generals. Journalists. Relaxation in accreditation provisions for journalism. Bishan Singh Shekhawat Journalism Award. Rajasthan Journalism Health Scheme. Rajasthan Irrigation Water Grid Mission works for more than rupees 50,000 crore. ERCP work of 5 important links and project Chambal Basin in phased manner. Works related to Chambal Basin in Baran district irrigation area 14,350 hectare rupees 1,024 crore. Run of water grid long term project for works amounting rupees 30,000 crore. Construction and renovation works of 100 acres. Construction and renovation works of 100 dam and canals. IGNP second phase works related to renovation and irrigation rupees 1,430 crores. Firozpur feeder Shri Ganga Nagar works 2,000 crore. Construction of diggings in canals areas. Subsidy to 5,000 farmers rupees 160 crores. 1,45,000 electricity connection to the farmers. Voluntary load disclosure scheme. Agriculture development. Rajasthan Krishi Vikas Yojana works amounted rupees 650 crore. Agricultural equipment tools of farmers subsidy of rupees 200 crore. 1,000 custom hiring centers to cluster in Agro climate zone. Total expenditure 120 crore. Organic and conventional farming board units and labs of districts for certification of organic products. Maganarega Govardhan project. Composite pit, fruits, vegetables, plantation, etc. works estimated expenditure rupees 197 crore 86 lakhs. Agri clinics at each district headquarters in 2 years, rupees 21 crores. Knowledge enhancement program, cooperative and agriculture marketing. This is the new point, cooperative and agriculture marketing. New cooperative codes, interest-free short-term crop loans amounting 23,000 crore, interest subsidy of rupees 736 crore, 35 lakh farmer beneficiaries. Long-term agricultural loans of 100 crores for land purpose. 5% interest subsidy for long-term non-farming loans, rupees 64 crores. 500 new farmer producer organization, 100 to 500 MT capacity godowns in 150 cooperatives, rupees 35 crore. Food Park Bharatpur, Food Processing Park Bharatpur, क्यूमीन मंडी जैसलमेर, कैरेट मंडी शदुवाली गंगानगर, गार्लिक मंडी मनोहर थाना झालावाड़, एग्रीकल्चर मंडी रामगढ़, पचवाड़ा दौसा, नसीराबाद अजमेर, पिपलू टोंक. Direct procurement from farms through e-mandi platform. Animal husbandry and dairy. This is the point. मुख्यमंत्री पशुपालन विकास कोष, provision of rupees 250 crores. 75% subsidy under sex storage salmon scheme. 500 veterinary service centers. Upgradation of 100 veterinary sub-centers of veterinary hospitals. Infrastructure development works in various veterinary institutions, rupees 200 crore. मुख्यमंत्री मंगला पशु बीमा योजना, rupees 400 crore. Camel protection and development mission. Upgradation of milk processing plant, सरदार शहर चूरू, रानीवाड़ा साचोर, झालावाड़ भरतपुर, नागौर and Bikaner, rupees 100 crores. Advanced milk power plant in Pali, rupees 95 crores. Cattle feed plants in Kota, rupees 25 crore. Press note. मुझे उम्मीद है आपको इससे काफ़ी हेल्प मिली होगी. अगले वीडियो लेके आपके सामने जल्दी आएंगे. तब तक के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें. धन्यवाद.